Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use macOS widgets, so let's start. Widgets can be added onto the right side over here. If we click on the date and time, we will see different widgets like time in different zones, calendar, weather, whatever else we want to add over here. It can be added, so it can be easily accessed from this menu on the right side. So how do we do it and what else can we do with the widgets? First of all, we need to right click over here on the desktop and click on Edit Widgets. Once we do this, a menu will slide out, and as you can see over here, we have different options. On the left side, we have different categories. So on the categories, we can see three different ways of displaying those aspects. So let's say we want to add the battery settings. All we need to do is click on this plus, and it automatically will jump onto our desktop. We can move it to different places if we want. And of course, we can also remove it by clicking on this minus over here. We can of course add different ways of displaying it. So this is the smaller one, and this is the smallest way of displaying. So if we have a few devices and we want to know what is their battery status, we can add it from over here. Another aspect is the calendar. Then there are different types of clocks. So we can have the clocks from different countries, for example, just like this over here. So right now those clocks are showing Sydney, Tokyo, Paris, etc. We can add different contacts, find my device, home notes, photos, podcasts, reminders, and so on, depending on what we want actually to have on our either desktop or on the right side over here. So let's say I want to add weather as well. Let's say I want it to be detailed. So all I need to do is drag it over here. And as you can see, it shows over here. So now once we are done with placing the widgets that we want, we click done. And now we can change the places into whatever we want, wherever we want to place it. If we want to remove it, right click and remove widget. So we have those widgets on the desktop. So if you want to have them on the desktop, that's perfect. You're all set. If you want to have them on the right side over here, then what you need to do is move them to the left side, click over here, and then you can drag it to whichever place you want. So let's say I want to place the clocks over here and the battery status over here. As you can see, it was added immediately. So that's how you can place those widgets on the right side. Now, if you would like to edit those widgets either here or on the menu over here, all you need to do is double click on it. Once you double click, as you can see, additional settings pop up. So over here, as you can see, at the moment, my weather forecast is set to Warsaw. When I open it, I can add multiple locations to easily check weather in different places. So let's say we want to check what is the weather in Sydney, in Australia. All we need to do is type in search over here, Sydney. Once we type Sydney, we can see different locations. So Sydney, Australia, click on it. As soon as we do this, it finds Sydney. We can see that it's 25 degrees over there. It's sunny. We can see the forecast for the coming hours. Below over here, we have 10-day forecast. So we can see what will be the temperature there. How does it look like from the satellite, UV index, sunset time, sunrise time, visibility, and all of the other data regarding Sydney. So if we would like to add Sydney to our list of favorites on the left side, all we need to do is click add. And as you can see, it was already added over here. So now let's say we want the default weather to be Sydney because we live in Sydney. All we need to do is drag it over here to the top. And now once we close it, as you can see, Sydney is over here as the default location. So this is how you can actually edit all of those widgets to show whatever you want them to show. That's it for today. This is how you can add different widgets on macOS. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments which of the widgets is your favorite. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.